Hey, welcome back to the workshop. So if you've been following this channel for a little while, you might have seen me doing this. This is me banging away on an E-loop with a baseball bat. The idea at the time was to show you how durable it is and how well it protects the cables on the inside. But one of the topics we didn't talk about was environmental. So with the help of Scott Parker, Alan Kwu from our Canadian team, we're able to install an E-loop in Saskatchewan. On its very first night, it was exposed to some horrific weather, and you can see that video here. Reports we got back were gusting up to 120 kilometers per hour that night, and according to the driller and the superintendent that was on that night, the E-loop worked perfectly. So I want to give a big thank you to Akita for filming that and sending it down to us. And if you have any questions on E-loop, where it's applicable, how you can get quoted, how we size it, please reach out to me at www.igus.com/oil and gas, or hit me up on LinkedIn. Until next time, thanks and stay safe.